Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your VIVO V60 Lite. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media volume in the settings. So let's unlock the device, go to the settings, and first we're gonna go over to the sounds and vibration. Now here we can set up our volumes. You guys can copy mine, but I feel like this is the best preset. Now after that, what you guys can do is disable do not disturb mode. So here we need to swipe in the sounds and vibration. Here we have do not disturb, and as you guys can see, receive only the calls, messages and notifications allowed to interrupt. So now this is enabled. We can see the icon of the stop icon right here. Now it disappeared, and we need to make sure that this icon is not there. So we need to make sure that do not disturb is turned off. It's a very important step because it can influence the low volume problem. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker or a headphone port. So here we have the speaker grill. Here at the bottom we also have the speaker grill, and we definitely want to clean it with a soft brush or anything else. Now what you guys can do after that as a last resort is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So to check for the software update, all you have to do is just go to system update right at the bottom of the settings. It will check automatically for the latest version, and as you guys can see, I do run the latest system version for this particular device. So we do not have to update anything, but if you do, then you will have a button right here to download and then install the update. And that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.